Okay, let's jump right into this. We've got a truly fascinating collection of sources here, all focused on unlocking AI. Techniques, tools, and practical use cases.
Yeah, it's a hot topic.
It really is. And it feels like AI is moving at, well, light speed sometimes. It can definitely feel a bit overwhelming just trying to keep up.
It absolutely can. That's why this material is so valuable, I think. It doesn't just, throw a bunch of new tools at you. It actually cuts through the noise to give you the fundamental techniques for talking to AI effectively.
Right, the prompting part.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then it highlights practical tools where you can put those techniques to work across all sorts of different tasks.
Okay, good. So our mission today is really to unpack what the sources lay out. We want to reveal the core ideas and show you how you can leverage AI more effectively in your own world, whatever that looks like for you.
Sound like a plan.
Okay, so let's unpack this first big idea. Before we even get to the specific tools, the source material makes it crystal clear that how you ask AI for something, what they call prompting, is probably the most important factor. And getting a good result, it's not just about having a powerful AI. It's about knowing how to instruct it properly.
Right. And the sources describe like a whole spectrum of prompting approaches. At one end, you have what they termed zero-shot prompting.
Zero shot.
Which is essentially just, asking with very little effort or context. Kind of the lazy way, maybe.
Yeah, like saying, give me a banana pancake recipe, or just write an email. Super vague, right?
Totally vague. So moving along that spectrum, you get to few-shot prompting. Here, you're providing a bit more context, maybe an example or two to guide the AI.
Ah, like the South India pancake recipe example.
Exactly. You add details like wanting spices, not too sweet. Maybe you mention a similar recipe that worked well before. You're giving the AI a clearer picture of what success looks like.
Right, starting to structure the thinking a bit more.
And here's where it gets really interesting, according to the sources. They introduce a structured approach they actually call the magic prompt formula.
Ooh, the magic prompt. Sounds promising.
Well, they present it as a kind of universal framework, and it seems to work incredibly well, apparently based on how companies building these models structure their own internal guides.
Okay, so what is it?
It's the CTID framework. Context, task, instruction, and data.
CTID.
Yeah. It basically forces you to be specific in a structured way.
Okay, break that down for us. What's each part mean?
Okay, so C is for context. You tell the AI who it should pretend to be or the specific situation it's operating within. You give it a role. Like the example they use, behave like an experienced copywriter from Bransley-Oldalby. You're setting the scene.
Got it. Giving it an identity for the interaction. Makes sense.
Then T is for task. What exactly do you want the AI to do? This needs to be really specific.
Great.
Not just write an email, but maybe you're defining the specific action.
So the precise action you want it to take. Okay.
Exactly. Then I is for instruction. How should it perform that task?
The how.
Yeah. You specify the style, the tone, the format, maybe any other requirements. The source uses examples like make it over the top or include a specific customer review. You're setting the rules.
And finally, D is for data. That's that.
This is where you provide the specific information the AI needs to use. What details must it include? What's the audience?
Like CTID. Context, task, instruction, data.
And by using that structured approach, CTID, the difference in output is, well, it's dramatic. And one more thing on prompting, a simple but crucial tip the sources point out. For a new task, always start a new chat.
Interesting. Why is that?
Well, it resets the AI's working memory, its context window. This helps prevent it from getting confused by previous, maybe unrelated interactions.
So it reduces the chance of it getting muddled or hallucinating based on something you asked it earlier.
Exactly. Keeps things clean for that specific new task.
Okay, good tip. So we understand that how we talk to AI matters. A lot, actually.
Absolutely. And these tools often, bake in smart ways to handle context and instructions, making it easier to apply these principles in your day-to-day workflow.
Right. So first up, something I think everyone deals with, email productivity.
Yeah.
The source really nails the pain point here. Who hasn't felt completely overwhelmed by their inbox?
Oh, yeah.
That example of having, 5,904 emails, instantly relatable.
Right. And the solution they highlighted was Gemini integrated right within Gmail.
Okay, so it's built in.
Yeah, it puts AI capabilities directly into your email environment. You don't have to go somewhere else.
And the capabilities they demonstrated looked incredibly useful, like summarizing long emails. The Creator Spotlight example showed it boiling down a lengthy message into, 5 concise bullet points in moments.
Yeah, that's huge. Or searching your inbox using just natural language, almost like talking to it. Give me all the emails labeled as reports and are unread.
Wow.
It just cuts through the clutter much faster than trying to remember complex search operators or setting up filters.
And drafting replies. Seeing it instantly pull context from the original email and draft a response.
Yeah.
It definitely speeds up email processing.
Yeah.
And the sources noted this is available for free for Google Workspace users. Plus, similar integrated tools like Copilot exist for Outlook users too.
So leveraging AI within tools you already use, that seems like a powerful starting point.
Absolutely. Lowers the barrier to entry.
Watch till the end to get the demo of our custom GPT that is trained on the most sophisticated prompting techniques that will give you an extremely advanced prompts within seconds.
Hi, this is our gift to our users. We have developed a new custom GPT that you can use to generate prompts accurately without spending so much time using the CTID approach. Have a look. We start by a simple request, and yet the prompting tool is doing great. As you can see, it will automatically structure your prompt to context, task, instructions, and data approach. It will also ask you for details if it is not enough, to ensure it gives you the most accurate prompt always. The more data you provide, the more accurate your prompt becomes. The tool can be accessed via Explore GPTs, and it does not retain any of your data. The link is also in the description. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for prompting techniques with the art of the prompt.